The Envidest MVR FC vacuum evaporator, designed and manufactured by Condorchem Envitec, is an effective system for treating industrial wastewater. It can be used to minimize any type of waste effluent, having demonstrated high efficacy in a large variety of industrial sectors. When you turn the equipment on, the vacuum pump starts and the evaporator boiler fills up thanks to the vacuum, with values close to 600 millibar generated. Once the boiler is full, the recirculation pump and the electrical resistors start working to reach an operating temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. At this point, the resistors stop and the vacuum system reaches a value of 240 millibar in the evaporation boiler. From that moment, the wastewater begins to evaporate and the roots pump starts working, inhaling the vapor from the evaporation boiler. It compresses it by elevating the temperature and pressure before sending it to the main exchanger. In the plate exchanger, we find cooler wastewater moving along one side of the plate and hotter vapor on the other side. Due to the temperature difference between both sides of the plate, the vapor will transfer its heat to the wastewater, increasing its temperature. Meanwhile, the vapor will condense, becoming a liquid. The distillate comes out of the heat exchanger and builds up in the distillate tank. On the other hand, the overheated wastewater goes back to the evaporation boiler. As the water evaporates, its level in the evaporation boiler drops. To maintain the level of work, the feed value is opened automatically, letting wastewater in. The distillate resulting from the evaporation is discharged from the distillate tank by a centrifugal pump. This distillate goes through a plate pre-exchanger, along which the wastewater to treat goes against the flow. The distillate transfers its temperature to the wastewater, such that more heat goes into the equipment and the distillate comes out slightly cooler. As it evaporates, the concentration of the waste in the evaporation boiler increases. Programmed partial discharges of concentrate are performed by the equipment's recirculation pump.